What is up, everybody? It is DJ Martini Midwest Reviews coming at you with another video for my channel. Today I have a really good one. I'm excited about Exoton's 5 items that are hot selling items. Can barely keep them in stock on their website right now. So we're going to talk about those 5 items. We're going to talk about some items that maybe you didn't even know were coming out here this summer. I kind of found, I don't know if it's a secret link, but I saw a little bit different website than they like almost have two, and one has some items that maybe you haven't even seen that are going to be coming out. I'm going to show you that, and then I'm also going to be talking about a discount code as well towards the end of the video in case you're interested in saving a little money from Exoton. So very cool there. But I'm going to be talking about these 5 items I'm excited about. I definitely want to look into doing some reviews on them in the future, but I'm just not in the right site to get some of these. But I am looking at some new Exoton speakers right now. So reviews in the future, but right now I can just take you there and show you a few items that you need to lock into now so you can assure that you can get them in the future. So, but enough of that. I want to jump right into the video. Now, Exoton, you're like, what is Exoton if you've never heard of it? It is an up and coming company, main page here, and they make column arrays, they make party speakers, they make a few accessories to some of that stuff. So they make a little bit of all kind of uh, I would say DJ tech and speakers. So yeah, they make a few home items as well. So, but very cool equipment. It is a newer company. It is a valued company, and I say value because things are a little bit cheaper than some other companies. But some of their column arrays right now are getting compared to some of those high-ranking companies like LD or RCF or some of those companies that make some of those column arrays out there. So yeah, they're getting compared to some heavy hitters, and they're doing a pretty good job of holding their own. So very cool. We're going to talk about it. So up and coming company, and like I said, I think it's a valued company, and I think they make stuff that just works, gets the job done, and that's what we need. So let's go ahead and jump into item number 1. We're going to go to all right here. This is their website, exoton.com, and we'll go to their first item that I'm super excited about, and it's one of their most popular items. And like I said, this is from my research. I'm not getting this from Exoton, but from my research, this one is one of their most popular, and it's just their party speakers, guys. This thing works. They have 15, and then they have the 12-inch system, and comes with the party lights. Now, one is passive, which means it needs to get powered by the speaker, and one is powered. And so you have a full mixing board here. So you have outputs and inputs. You do have a XLR output here, and then you do have XLR input, quarter jack, RCAs, and 3.5 millimeter jack. So it has a lot of ways to get into it if you're a DJ, or even if you had like a little mini band setup, or if you're a traveling artist and you have an instrument and yourself, you have tons of ways to hook into this and get things done. It also has some lights, which are kind of cool. It's going to come with the tripods, specifications, but this one, oh, right here, it says 1200 watts. So it says program power 300 watts, RMS power 150 watts. So that makes more sense. So 300 watts split, and you're getting that 150 watt sound in the 12s. Let's see what they say for the 15s. Specifications, 400 watts. Wow, that's a kind of a jump from the 15s to the 12s. So just something to keep in mind there if you're looking for it. And like I said, it does have many ways to go in. It does have USB, FM, and Bluetooth as well. Be great for karaoke, great for those backyard parties, or great for any kind of garage gig that you need to tear up. So it does come with the microphone, remote, and like I said, tripods and the 2 speakers, 1 powered, 1 passive. I think these are great values. Like I said, under $300 for that 15 dual set, and $250 for the 12 set. So very cool there. Absolutely, definitely a value, and I would definitely pull the trigger if I needed that set. All right, next one we're going to get into is number 2 is, oh yes, right here. I see it right here. Now, this is one that I wanted to keep get on my hands on. I'd keep my hands on. I would keep my hands on it if I had it, but I definitely in the future want to get my hands on this just because I really like the idea of this 10-channel mixer. Now, some people are like, "Well, that's old school, man." It is a little bit, but there is some cool features and could help you if you had this in your kit. Now, these are passive speakers, so yeah, that's old school. The It comes with the tripods, the cables you need, and the microphone, which is all added bonus. But this 10-channel mixer is just something about it that I really want. Think about it, 10 channels. You have 10. This would be great for karaoke, for a little mini band setup, and traveling artists. It has 99 different reverb effects. It has wide range frequent response, multi-device capability, easy setup, it's light, and it has this driver-free recording. It allows instant device recording. So if you kind of go to the device here, I'm guessing that it has a USB spot or a memory card slot, a thumb drive that you can use. I can't really see it super good here, but I'm guessing that's what it is. And you can probably plug in a USB slot and you can actually record driver free with the device uh, up to a certain amount, which is very, very cool because you could, record testings, you record, I don't know how long you record, or like I said, if it's via USB or SD card, or, how the memory device is. But yeah, it just sounds really cool to have that, or to be able to use it as a USB interface. That would be very, very cool too, that you could run it to a laptop and then also be able to do all kinds of fantastic things with it. So, um, yeah, I'm really interested in those capabilities. But not only do you get this mixer, you get the tripods, the microphone, the cables, and the two passive 12-inch speakers. So I think that's a great deal. Want to get my hands on it. If anybody else does, you guys are going to have to let us know the features on the recording, if it's just USB interface or if there's actually can do like on the spot recording with like a thumb drive. That would be my questions. And so if anybody out there knows, put it in the comments. Number three on my list is an actual item I got my hands on, and I was pretty excited. At first, I didn't know how I was going to feel. Like, I thought they were just some regular bookshelf speakers, but these things really impressed me. So they call them bookshelf speakers, but you could absolutely use them as monitor speakers. They're 200 bucks. They have a nice wood grain look, but the biggest thing that just blew me away was these mid and bass drivers. 5 1/4. They have 1-inch silk dome tweeters, but they are like fiberglass woven, shiny. They look fantastic. And honestly, like, they have covers. You can take the covers off, and I always leave the covers off because they look fantastic. And you will get, when people come over, they will say, "Oh, wow, those look super nice. What brand is that? What kind is that?" And they're really surprised when you say Exoton, which is not like a really popular company right now, but they are growing. But yeah, they very, very they surprise you the way they look. They look a lot fancy. Uh, they look sharp. They're eye catching, and yeah, very, very surprising to the eye. But at the same time, they sound great. They have decent bass response, and they have all kinds of ways if you're using them for home use via like home theater, if you want to put them in a desktop setup or something like that. They have all those ways. They have optical, HDMI, coaxial, RCAs, USB. So they have a lot of ways to plug into them. Very, very cool. Now, I know a lot of DJs are going to say, well, they don't have XLR and they don't have cord jack. Yes, you are right, they don't, which is kind of a fail, but at the same time, they still have those RCAs, which can come in, and you can buy all kinds of cables out there that can go from XLR to RCAs, and you can still get really good sound out of them. So very, very good. They have good volume. I did a full review if you want to check that out, but yes, absolutely Bluetooth remotes, all kinds of stuff. And like I said, they sound good as well. So I'm very happy with them. And yeah, you definitely should take a look at them. I think they're one of their top items out there. All right, next one, we're going to go to item number 4, and we're going to go to the LVP 212. Now, this is one of their most popular item, in my opinion, besides their absolutely number one that we'll go into next. But yeah, the LVP 212. This system is very familiar looking. It might remind you of the ProRec AEF, which I am super familiar with. But yes, if you want to save $100, especially since this thing is on sale for $550 right now, you should definitely take a look at the LVP 212. This thing has, 212s. It has some great arrays here. Right here, these arrays, they sound fantastic. They do have more of a full range sound. So if you're looking for a band setup, a mini, not a super band set, like a mini garage band setup, these would work really good. They're great for karaoke. I've had a lot of karaoke DJs rage about them. It does have Bluetooth, and it does have the adjustable poles that come with it, all the cables you need, and like I said, it has Bluetooth as well. So very, very good system. Definitely check it out. All right, and last but not least, we want to talk about their craziest systems that they cannot keep in stock right now. And that is, we're going to go with the 15-inch system right now. They do have both of these in white and black, and then they also have an 18-inch one, and it is in white and black as well. But it is their column array systems, okay? So they have the S1503s and they have the S1803, so 15-inch speakers, 18-inch speakers. So it features a 15-inch subwoofer on the bottom right here. It does have those column arrays that we're looking at with 8 3.5-inch full range drivers, 8, and I said 8. So yes, and they say that these can compete with those heavyweight systems out there. And they hold their own. They're not saying that they're the best out there, but they're saying they're holding their own and sound very, very similar. So that is really props to Exoton right now. And they're, sometimes half the price of some of those other speakers out there. So $579, you can pick this up. The only thing is, like I said, you have to get in line. I would suggest go ahead and pre-order them. You can add them to your cart. Go ahead and order them, and you will get in line to get them. So, and that's why they have like the pre-order parts, so you can see that they're all in there. So you can pre-order all these and get in line to be able to get some of these. They have all the bells and whistles that you need. And like I said, the biggest difference between the 18 and the 15, of course, is just the 18-inch subwoofer or the 15-inch, and it is each. It's not a pair. It's just each. So one speaker is $579, and one on the 18 is $800. So very, very cool. It does come with the bags. It looks like you get the bag right here, and the subwoofer cover as well. So nice protection for those. You get the power cable, instruction manual. Like I said, once again, everything you need to get started. Very, very cool. Go to the back here, take a quick look at it. So you have RCAs, you do have XLR, you do have Bluetooth, and you do have some volume gains there. So simplistic, but enough to get the job done, like I said. So very, very cool. And it does have true wireless sound connect, so you can connect 2 of these wirelessly, which is very, very cool. When I actually DJ, I like to physically hard connect, but I've heard that these have had pretty good performance being wirelessly connected. But yes, to each its own, and however you want to do it, but it's very cool technology. All right, and like I said, you get the pole mounts, the travel bags, and everything you need to get going. The only problem is their estimated ship date is May, so they're about 2 months out still on these, and then even the 18s are, I believe, a month out, say end of April. So I'm still thinking May on those as well. So you definitely can, like I said, pre-order them and get in line for them, because these guys have just been sold out for a long time. One last thing, and a special little bonus, is I happen to find on the interwebs this new product page right here, new product preview. and they actually have some other speakers coming out in April, May. And so they're working on two 15-inch powered subwoofers, which is awesome, an 18 and a 15. So if you want an Exoton powered subwoofer, they are in the works. They've never had like an actual dedicated just powered subwoofer. So yes, they are coming, which is super exciting. And I'm glad to see that they're working on that. And then they also are working on these over here, the C12AP, which is a dual powered PA speaker. So it looks like it's going to be in a pair, and the pair is going to have true wireless sound connect, digital sound processing, echo and reverb. So these might be really good for karaoke uses. Kind of cool, more performances. And then they have the LVP 18. We talked about the LVP 212, right? I thought it's really good. It's a full range system, but these are going to be a little bit more crazy with 18-inch subwoofers. I don't know if they're going to be a little bit more full range or a little bit more like a traditional subwoofer, but I'll be curious when they're coming in mid-April, May. And like I said, looking pretty good, 400 watts. They're going to have, they're going to be, looks like it's going to be bi-amped for the subs and the arrays. So it's looking really, really cool. So, uh, yeah, yeah, I'm excited to see what the final products look like and get out to people and what the results are when they come out. But these are some new items coming out from Exoton, and you saw it here on DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. Thank you guys so much for being here. If this is helpful in any way, please lock in, subscribe, share, follow, or whatever. Just show love. Join the community here, DJ Martini. We're building a really cool one with a lot of positivity, good comments. People just genuinely want to just help. And if you have some issues, sometimes we can help you, and sometimes we can set you in the right direction. So, like I said, that's all I got for you today. Those have been the 5 top selling items, in my opinion, on the Exoton website. But I think they're all worth a look at if you're interested in some of that kit. I will leave some links for them in my description. And also remember that I do have a discount code, which I will also leave in the description, but it's pretty easy. It's just DJ Martini Midwest, and it will get you 15% off of their website. I don't know if it works on sale items, so I don't know about that, but if it's a regular price item, it will get you 15% off, which is a huge discount. So use my discount at checkout and you will receive that discount on your purchases. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please lock in, subscribe, like I said, if this is helpful in any way, and I can't wait to see you on my next video or tutorial. So we'll see you later, but hopefully see you soon.